going to be playing Roblox Rivals, but we can only use the energy pistols to win rounds. So basically, bro, for today, bro, we're just gonna be using the energy pistols to win rounds. And let's get into the first game right now. Let's go! Who wanna run me, bro? Yo, guys. Okay, guys. Should we do matchmaking? Okay, let's do matchmaking so we can make it a little bit more harder. Okay, guys, we'll just skip to the part. Oh, never mind. We don't need to skip. We are already in. Dang, come on. Oh my god. No. Arena map. Look at his avatar. Sandbox. I'm gonna ask him energy pistols only. Guys, as you can see, bro, we can only use energy pistols, so we might be cooked. We're allowed to use the katana too, because it doesn't like. Oh my god! Oh! Bro, using energy pistols is like the most hardest thing ever. Let me make it up. Oh my god. Katana. Yo, come on, nice damage. Yo, bro. Please, energy pistols only. Oh, never mind, not listening. Okay. Bro, is he really using chainsaw? Why is he only using chainsaw? Like, how? What, bro? You're trying to chainsaw me to death. Okay, we're gonna freeze him. We're gonna try to freeze him. Bro, I need to have better. Always, wait, he's actually using energy. Where is he at? Oh my god. How am I supposed to win even a single round? How? Bro, I did 0 damage. No, he used a med kit. Guys, I don't think I can win this. How am I supposed to win this? Oh my god. Like, whoa. No way he's like using energy. Guys, matchmaking with energy pistols might be a little too hard, not gonna lie. Okay, we're just gonna try. Okay, guys, this is not cheating, but we're just gonna see if we can like make a comeback. Oh, never mind, he's spamming chainsaw at me. Okay, maybe we don't do matchmaking. That's a little bit too hard. Let's just go to like a public server, bro. We're just gonna run some random people. See if we can beat them with energy pistols. Yes, give me a noob, bro. Give me a noob. Yes, bro. I can beat this girl. She's a bacon hair. Chess, bro. Oh my. It's okay. We'll use grenade launcher for movement, bro. I know this bacon hair is like. Oh my god! Wait, I can't use the grenade launcher. I'm so bad. Oh, energy pistol time. Yo, nah, she's abusing her. She's abusing her auto shoot. She's abusing her auto shoot. I can't do anything. I can't do anything. She's using auto shoot. Guys. Guys, we need to cheat and we can't let this noob win. So, that's exactly why we're gonna use paintball gun. I am too late! Nah, guys. 25, 38. Oh my god, let's go. Guys, do you see how laggy I am, bro? Like, what? Okay, guys, we're gonna try to win with energy pistols only. We're gonna, like, try to get some, like, fire damage. Where's she at? Oh, where's she at? Oh, 23, 20, like, 8 damage. Get some pre-fire shots on her. Bro, so hard using energy. Oh my god, let's go. Energy pistols only. Guys, my tracking with the energy pistols have to get better, bro. Like, bro. Come on. Bro, my tracking with the energy pistols even isn't like, oh my god, we can't do that. Reloading. Full mech it, full mech it, full mech it. Bro. No, I think it's my wing sticking out. Okay, guys, I'm gonna delete the wing next time. It's definitely my wing that's sticking out. Watch this, guys. Oh, crazy prediction. Lock in. Where's she at? Bro, did she like, bro? She fell off the map. Let's go. No way she just fell off the map like that. Guys, we're gonna use RPG for movement. Crazy prediction, she's gonna come. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna use katana, bro. We're gonna use katana. This kid is actually hard to kill. Oh no. Movement. How? Bro. Nah. It's time to hop on my sniper, bro. It's time to hop on. Alright, bad. Go, bad. You wanna play like that, bro? Don't play like that. Don't be playing like that on me, boy. Don't abuse your auto shoot, boy. I can abuse mine too, bro. Don't be playing auto shoots on me, boys. It's annoying loadout time. Let's go. It's annoying loadout time. Oh! I don't even need a appreciate to kill her. Time to get toxic. Oh my god, like, bro, wait. Oh my god, wait. Okay, bro, anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's video, bro. And yeah, that's the end of me using energy pistols to absolutely dominate my opponents. But yeah. Alright, guys. I'm Kaden Vlogs, and I'll see you in the next one.